Welcome back to Renovator. Today we'll show you the transformation of an old neglected apartment into a beautiful, modern, and functional interior. After watching, your head will be full of new ideas for renovating, furnishing, and decorating your own home or apartment. Be sure to stay until the end to see the full before and after effect. It'll definitely be worth it. What you're seeing now is what we found when we first entered the apartment, and we have to admit, there was a lot of work and planning ahead of us to transform this place. The building was constructed in 1981. The apartment has an area of 60 square meters, and the renovation took us 45 days. As for the cost, we'll reveal that later. After clearing out the old furniture, we could move on to demolition and stripping off the old plaster. Take a look at how it all looked. The biggest issues with the original layout were quite significant. We had a long and inefficient hallway. It took up a lot of valuable floor space without serving any real living function. There was no direct connection between the kitchen and the larger room, which made everyday life inconvenient. Even something as simple as carrying meals was a hassle. The kitchen was completely separated from the rest of the apartment, so there was no typical open living area or shared space like a dining zone. There wasn't enough room for a wardrobe in the hallway, the toilet was too narrow to fit a sink, and the bathroom itself was too small to accommodate a comfortable shower and a washing machine. In the place of the old kitchen with the large window, we planned a new room that can easily be arranged as a child's bedroom. We removed the old water and sewage connections, making space for a clean start. The room will be cozy and filled with natural light. We connected the toilet with the bathroom by removing the wall between them. The wall with the door was moved slightly toward the entrance. The larger bathroom is now much more comfortable to use. By reducing the number of doors in the hallway, we created a cleaner and more organized layout. Even though the hallway was quite large, there was no space for a wardrobe. For technical reasons, we couldn't move the apartment's entrance door, so we decided to shift the partition wall by 10 centimeters toward the window and move the door to the room closer to the wall. This allowed us to create space for a wardrobe measuring 60 centimeters deep and 120 centimeters wide. We turned the largest room into a living area with a kitchenette. By removing the wall with the door, we created a bright, open living space. As a result, we now have a spacious living room with a dining area and kitchen. Perfect for everyday life. The layout is simple and logical, with minimal wasted space. Better lighting and a sense of openness make the apartment feel larger. We also created a large, functional bathroom with space for a shower and a washing machine. Another renovation complete, but what do you think? Was it worth the effort? Drop your opinion below, hit like, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.